This is home.
Lead us back home. Home, home. Lead us back home. You wanna take a land, then you gotta go through us. We fighting to the nail, even though it's dangerous. Not treat us like an animal, and that's what he gon' get from us. The politics and government is really trying to play with us. Yeah, they killing all my brothers.
They no longer believe in the government also.
Hello Zomi people and Kuki people and Hamar people, Naga, Mizo people. Peace out, guys. This is Gabs from Africa, South Sudan, guys, and I'm with my friend.
Myself, Nitesh.
Yeah, this is Nitesh, guys. Today we are going to check one music by the title "Home We Need a Savior," guys, by Zomi people. So Zogam are the people of Zomi. So they have one song that we need a savior, and so we are going to check it out, guys. Wishing you all the best, peace, justice, harmony, guys. Don't forget, guys, show us some love, subscribe to this channel. From today onward, we will be supporting you, guys. We'll be praying for you all the time because I'm so happy, guys. I'm getting a lot of support from all of you. So many people are now joining my channel, so I'll make sure to learn about your tribe, all the Kuki, Zomi, Hamar, and all the Nodis, specifically like this channel, you know, I made it to explore the Nodis. So I want to learn so much about the Nodis. So this is why I'm reacting to the Nodis. So state-wise, we are coming. Before I was reacting to Meghalaya. So now we are also reacting to Manipur. So stay tuned, guys. Love you all. And let's go. Home, we need a savior. Zomi. Let's check these Zomi people. Zogam.
They burn my home and they chase my family out of this land we own. I can't sit back and be quiet for long, and I pray that I'm not alone. So help us, Lord.
You're not alone, brother Zomi. You're not alone, Zomi. Kuki are there with you. Don't worry.
We need a savior.
We need a savior.
The place that we all call home. Home.
This is home.
Lead us back home. Home. Lead us back home. You wanna take a land, then you gotta go through us. We fighting to the nail, even though it's dangerous. Not treat us like an animal, and that's what he gon' get from us. The politics and government is really trying to play with us. Yeah, they killing all my brothers.
They no longer believe in the government also.
Of my sisters, proving that they wanted to erase the legacy we built is getting fractured. Now that's the bigger picture. Salute to my brothers in the front line. You left your family and friends and tell them
they
that
make
you'll
their
be
own army
fine.
now.
Now one day you will turn this rain of bullets to a sunshine.
Manipur army.
Simon, I
They staying in Manipur
we
now.
ain't running this
Now
time.
you find
Let us stand together.
Kuki army,
We can
Raja,
fight
Zomi
forever
army,
until we reach the goal.
From their own people,
Raise
they
our hands
created the
together. I'm standing with my brothers, ready to die or suffer. Ask me if I got your back like
Because
Kobe,
whenever they go and
I'm
protest,
ready.
like peaceful
They
protest,
burn my
they're not
home and they chase my family out of this land we own. I can't sit back and be quiet for long, and I pray that I'm not alone.
Yes,
Help
tell them.
us, Lord, and hear our voices crying out for your name. We need a savior to lead us back to the place that we all call home. Home.
That is Zomi flag, I think.
Lead
Zomi
us
flag.
back home. Lead us back home. From the sound of my people calling out, yelling, we have been betrayed by the people that we trusted. They hunting us down like a dog on the street with a heart full of hate. And guess how they are funded? I don't wanna say his name, but I know that he's in pain. Cause he think that we will bow down, we ain't even run yet. Now he running round the office, finally he lost it. Thinking to himself, man, I shouldn't have really done that. Tribals, we may disagree from time to time, but if you mess with one of us, then and
they
we
don't
gon'
like
stand
it
together.
before, they
We
don't
are
want you to
tribals,
lead them.
we'll die before we give the land to you. We're from the hills and everybody born to storm the weather. Yeah, what about the people that have given up their life? And what about the soldiers that can't even sleep at night? Now what about
I
the
think
mothers
this
that
kind
have
of
given
video
up a
YouTube
child? And what
will
about the
punish,
sisters
right?
that's been living in denial? Now who gon' speak for them? Follow what they're standing for and we gon' stand with them. Cause if our dad is out for war, then who gon' pay the rent? And if our brother's out to fight, then who gon' have her back? She can't even relax, that's reality. They burned my home and they chased my family out of this land we own. I can't sit back and be quiet for long, and I pray that I'm not alone. So help us, Lord, and hear our voices crying out for your name. We need a Savior to lead us back to the place that we all call home. They burned my home and they chased my family out of this land we own. I can't sit back and be quiet for long, and I pray that I'm not alone. So help us, Lord, and hear our voices crying out for your name. We need a Savior to lead us back to the place that we all call home. Home, home, lead us back home. Home, home, lead us back home.
Okay. This song is really so sad. It's so inspiring, but it is so sad and so touching to watch, guys, because I saw a lot in this. And this is actually what really happened in Manipur between those tribes. Like a lot of fights, serious killing happened, people lost their people, their houses, their places. Like it's so risk now to go to other district that you don't belong. Like if you are Zomi now, going to meitei side is so dangerous for you. You might lose your life. So there is no one is gonna help, guys. But only as he said, it is only Lord who is going to help you, guys. You need to pray hard, guys. To pray hard so that you get your home, to get your Zomi land, to get the Kuki land. You have to keep praying and look for your justice, guys. It is really so sad seeing the same people who were living, they were as one people, but now they just separated. But I don't know how is it going to be possible for this one state to be separated. For you, do you think, like, see, like this is Manipur only, right? Do you think that it's possible for them, like for Manipur to become two state in India? Do you think it's possible? It's not gonna happen, right? Yeah. That is why this fight actually been 1 year and a half. Yeah. See, if it was possible to be done, they would have solved it, right? They up to now, like the Kuki people, they are asking for their land. They want the separation, but nothing happened. I don't know how they are going to solve this, and the fight is still going on. If it was about separation, it would have happened easily, right? The central government would have done this for them to have their own peace. But I think there is so much behind these guys. We can't judge and we can't say much. What we can say only pray to Lord, guys. This is the only savior to give you back your land, guys. So this song is inspiring us, guys. And I just love this song. And there is one song also I reacted to it before. It's called One Day by various Kuki artists, guys. That song was so inspiring. It was promoting peace, guys, and to avoid fight, guys. So you all know what you're going through. So I'm wishing you, we will wish them all the best. Wish them peace. Peace, guys. Peace. We wish them peace. Wishing you all peace and justice, guys. Thank you so much. And thank you for the support, for subscribing my channel. We'll be reacting daily, guys, to all the Kuki, the Zomi, the Naga, Meghallian, guys, and the Mizo people. Love you all, guys. Thank you so much. Till next time.